You're spoiled. Yeah, you're spoiled. You're my spoiled boy. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? No, you can't have my vegetables. There's onions in there. You can't have onions. That's a no-no for cats. No. I thought you only wanted fish. No. 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 Do you mind? Hey. Hey. You eat what I give you. Back off. You bit my finger again. You're such a goof. Hey. Hey. I'm getting very impatient with you. I don't have anything in my fingers. Just my fork. Hey. No. No. Stop it. Hey. Off with the plate. You're spoiled. Hey, let me take a couple bites of vegetables here, alright? No, you can't have the vegetables because it's got onions in it. No. I'm trying to eat. Hey, you don't see me begging for your food. Alright. my finger again. Do you mind? Alright, tell you what. Last piece. No more after this. Got it? No more. All done. Now scram. No, no more. All done. All done. Go on now. Go on. All done. No more. No!
It doesn't work with fish, Jen.
You think? What do I do?